Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, we're going to see the latest recruitment notification from the State Bank of India. Now, this is for the recruitment of probationary officers. So, totally they have announced 2056 vacancies across the various categories. You can pause the video to look at the details. And so, at the entry level, the pay is closer to 42,000. So, the scale is given here, and so this is the scale that is applicable to junior management grade scale 1. And apart from that, the officials will also be eligible for DA, HRA, lease rental, okay, medical and other allowances, and also the probation period, okay, it's for like 2 years. And important dates: the online application process has already started, and the last date to apply is 25th of October 2021. And as far as the preliminary exam dates are concerned, it is tentatively said to be November or December 2021. Okay, and the first or second week of November onwards, the hall tickets can be downloaded online, and the declaration of preliminary exam results will be in December 2021, and downloading of hall ticket for the main exam is tentatively on second or third week of December, and by December 2021 itself, the online main examination will happen. Okay, and these things like happen like very fast. Okay, so so almost the same time that they have mentioned these process will happen, and declaration of result for main exam will be on January 2022. And then the phase 3 is the interview phase. So that is tentatively scheduled on second or third week of February, for which the call letter can be downloaded in the first or second week of February, right? And declaration of final result will be in Feb or March 2022, right? And meanwhile, they also they give a pre-examination training for the candidates belonging to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and religious minority communities, and so that happens during the second week of November. And so this is the number of attempts permitted for different categories. So for the general and EWS, it is 4 attempts, and general EWS for the persons with disability, it is 7 attempts. For OBC, it is 7 attempts, and for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, etc., there is no restriction in the number of attempts. And coming to the eligibility criteria, should be a citizen of India, and as far as the age is concerned, so they have mentioned 21 years of age, between 21 to 30, okay, not more than 30, as on 1st of April 2021. So for the age, they given 1st of April 2021 as the cutoff date, and there is also relaxation depending upon the category to which you belong. And regarding the education qualification, any graduate from any discipline from a recognized university or equivalent is eligible, okay, and the educational qualification should have completed degree as on 31st of December 2021. So the candidates who have graduated in 2021 can also apply. Okay, so any graduate, any discipline can apply for this, and the cutoff date is 31st of December 2021. And for the age, the cutoff date was 1st of April 2021. Now next, coming to the selection process. So the examination happens in 2 phases. The first phase, preliminary examination. So both for preliminary as well as the main examination, for incorrect answers there is a negative mark, like 1/4 the negative mark for incorrect answers. So all this is multiple choice questions. So for incorrect answers, there is a penalty of 1/4. Okay, and so in this preliminary examination, you have quantitative aptitude 35 questions, 20 minutes duration, and reasoning ability 35 questions, 20 minutes duration, and English language 30 questions, 20 minutes duration. So 1 hour and 100 questions. So among this, you will find videos related to quantitative aptitude and reasoning ability in our channel. And as far as the English language is concerned, we have a practice platform. You can take a practice test there. All the relevant videos and the practice platform link is given in the description below. So this is the preliminary examination. Now, approximately 10 times the vacancy is called for the main examination. Okay, for example, so if the vacancy is 2000, about 20,000 candidates will be called for the main examination. So in main examination also, in the objective type, there is a negative mark of 1/4 for incorrect answers, and there is also a descriptive test. So in the main examination, you have reasoning and computer aptitude, 45 questions, 60 minutes, and there is data analysis and interpretation, 35 questions and 45 minutes, and general awareness, economy awareness, banking awareness, that's like 40 questions and 35 minutes, and English language test, 35 questions and 40 minutes. And so totally 155 questions, and maximum marks is like 200, and for a duration of 3 hours. And there will be a descriptive test in English language, letter writing or essay, and so that is for like 30 minutes. Okay, and there will be 2 questions and for a total of 50 marks. And for phase 3, okay, the candidates will be called like 3 times the vacancy. So if there are vacancies 2,000, about approximately 6,000 people will be called for the phase 3. Now please remember, now the phase 1 marks are used only as a qualifying marks for, okay, the merit list prepared based on phase 1 is used only for phase 2, okay, is used only for phase 2, and the phase 2 marks and the phase 3 marks will be used for the final merit list. Okay, so the phase 2 marks, so for phase 3, phase 1 marks will not be considered, and for final merit also phase 1 marks will not be considered. So in phase 3, interview like 50 marks, or it can be, okay, given the pandemic situation, okay, so there might be only interview with 50 marks, or it can be like interview for 30 marks and group exercises 20 marks, right? And so the final selection, the phase 2, right? So phase 2, now that's given like 75, let's say the total marks is 100, 75 marks is given for phase 2, and phase 3, the weightage is 25 marks. So out of this total 100, the merit list, the final merit list is prepared. Okay, so phase 1 marks is only used as a qualifier. Okay, the phase 1 merit list is used only for as a qualifier for the phase 2, and for phase 3 and the final selection only the phase 2 is considered. Okay, and for final selection, phase 2 and phase 3 considered, right? And the weightage is like 75 and 25. Now how to apply? The link to apply is given in the description below. You can click on that and apply after watching the video. And there is an application fee of 750 for the general category and EWS and OBC. And for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, there is no fee. And very importantly, when you apply, along with all the other basic details, okay, you have to also upload your photograph, signature, right, latest photograph and signature, and you have to also upload the left hand thumb impression. So all the size and dimensions are given. You have to make ready all of this and then go for applying. Okay, also there is a handwritten declaration format that is given. Okay, you can probably download that from our Telegram channel. Okay, so that you have to write it in English clearly on a white paper with black ink. You should not write it in all caps. You should write it in in small letters in normal way, right? That also you have to take a snap and then like upload it in the given size. Okay, so photograph, signature, left hand thumb impression, handwritten declaration, all this is important, right? And you should also have a government issued ID card, that is also necessary. Okay, and they also give in this like 2,000 odd vacancies, they also give a 4% horizontal reservation, okay, for persons with benchmark disability. So these are the list of documents, you know, like ID cards that you can have. I hope the information that I've given in this video was useful to you. If you found it useful, please click on the like button and share it with your friends. And if you have not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. And if you have any questions, please do post your questions in the comment section below. We'll be very happy to answer your questions. And thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.